We talk a lot about big ideas for growth. And so every B2B company in a given year is going to make changes that enable their future growth. One of the most common that we see is the launch of a new message or repositioning that the sales team needs to go master. One of our manufacturing clients that comes to mind, their big focus was, as we go launch a new corporate message, it's got to be industry specific, tailored by vertical. And the challenge is that for the sales team, that's a pretty big leap, where they need to be able to tailor that story for each segment, but they don't yet have the confidence or the ability to tell that industry-specific story. Let's talk about how a playbook approach can accelerate progress in how a new message is deployed across the sales organization. Number one, it creates clarity. The right stakeholders from marketing, product, and sales come together to make decisions on what we're going to tell salespeople the new message is, how they deliver it, who they communicate it to. Number two is the packaging. So we're packaging content into something that's very sales friendly, that a salesperson can, as they receive that new message, see exactly what they need to know and what to go do with the message and what they're going to say in conversations and what they're going to show to really make their message clear and tangible. Number three is it becomes a repeatable framework for every time we launch a new message, salespeople know what to expect. They're going to get a playbook and it's going to have the right kinds of content, tools, and training to get them up to speed. So in the end, it really comes down to salespeople mastering the story, delivering the new messages, asking the right questions, delivering the right success stories, showing the right content to make those conversations with customers as compelling as possible.